So we've gotten several questions over the past couple years about why we set the nesting to 99 when we cut sheets. And so I want to take a little bit of time to explain that. So I've got a very simple data set here. I'm in a sheets.dgn file. I've got two files referenced. I've got baseline, which you can see I've got set to a live nesting of 1. And I've got baseline 2, which is set to a live nesting of 1. And so if I come over here and expand, you can see the files that we're actually picking up the default 3D model with the live nesting. Now let's say for this one file I don't want the 3D model. I just want the 2D. So I'm going to set the nesting on this one to no nesting. And you can see now this one's just flat with no nesting. But baseline 2 is picking up the 3D model. So this is what I want my sheets to look like. So let's go to our name boundary manager and let's just simply cut out just one sheet and take a look at it. Now I'm going to go here to the drawing model. Now in the drawing model, and this is where most people raise the question, if you go look at your it's referenced, of course, the default model, and you can see that the reference depth is set to 99. And I guess people think that's a problem, but it's really not. In fact, if you go over here and expand, you'll see that I have exactly the same thing that I had in the default model. So this will never cause you to pick up any file or any model that you don't want to. In other words, whatever the way you set it up in the default model is exactly the way you're going to get it. In fact, we set this high for a particular reason, and let me show you why. Let's say you set it to 1, okay? Watch what happens. Did you see the 3D right here disappear? So let me set it to 99 again. And you'll see the 3D is now being picked up the way I wanted to. The problem is not that it's set to 99. 99 is actually a safety mechanism to make sure the sheets all appear the way you want to. The danger is actually setting it too low. Again, if I set it down to 1, you'll watch this 3D right there disappear. So by setting it too low, you can actually lose reference attachments that you wanted. But by setting it to 99, that's just a safety measure to make sure that these are picked up the way that you want them to be picked up. So again, setting it to 99 is not going to cause any additional reference files to be loaded or anything in that. Your design model is always going to control that.